Yeah. What are you up to? Ooh. What is it?
Mint. Won't play back, there's a switch broken. The amplifier is working. It's the fastest, it's like my Bang Olufsen. You can't hear it.
It's not working then.
There's a playback switch in the centre there.
Let's go and have a look at it.
Come to the end now, won't it? My God, look at that. That switch there. There, yeah, no, there, that one. Down hard, press.
Oh. Well, the stop is working.
Maximum size spool.
Yeah.
But the switch. Push this balance or shove this under the. I can't understand. That switch is missing. That's the playback.
Yeah.
But I can't see where it must be just down in there. You can't feel anything. There's a little gap here, but when you press these, look, there's a slot there. That's got nothing to do with it. So it must be down here somewhere. It's broken off. No issue. That's a pause button. You don't need the pause. And put that button on there. Listen to this. It's perfect both ways. I'll show you back the other way. Well, let's go back the other way. It'd be even faster if I don't put it through the head. I did this at 5 o'clock.
Mm.
No, it'll have to go through the head. We've got a knob side. Oh, it's through. No, yes, I'll see. Under there, up, through. I can't do things in reverse. Yeah, it'll go. Oh, it'll slip now, it'll go. So, that way's there, this way's this. It'll slip, actually, but it'll pick up. There you are. Oh, it's wrong. Tape's wrong. Well, look at it. Fantastic machine, mate.
How much did you get it for?
Well, I'll give him more because he can get some for me. This came from Birmingham.
Yeah.
Came from Birmingham, but it was the auction was Ross on Wye.
Oh, where did you get it?
The auction was a Ross on Wye, but it came from Birmingham.
Yeah.
Someone who was selling it. Because that was, I said, listen, Julian, I said, I can fix that. I said, all right. I didn't know it, I hadn't even started it up. But listen to the amplifier. See, the amp is working, listen. Volume, it'll crackle now.
Okay.
See that? The amp's working. You've got crackles on the switch. Okay. That's it. Off, on. It's going to get better with the crackles. This is tone. It's an on and off tone, but all these switches, look. not going off on the switch. There you are, it's off. It's bloody top quality. This was the best model. But hold on, come on then. Go on, you can jump over. So you've got that, you've got it's the pickup for taping off the record deck, and you've got a mic and God knows what their mic input there. Now let's put this back.
So it doesn't need any work.
Right, I'll tell you now. Well, it should. Hang on, this will work with off spool here. Let's see. I can't do it in reverse. I know what I'll do. If I wind it like this. Oh shit. Well, you see this type of, she's meant to, you do it by hand, look. So reverse. So it's going to be that way, that way, that way, it's pretty on there. This was meant to be, see the ones with the slot.
Meant to be what?
The ones with the slot work perfectly. You know, they're easy to. Now it'll go. We're there. Don't pull it. There we are. Now we're going to check it's any white. Down there. It's gone underneath. That's right. This is drive most people totally out of their brains.
Really?
What, doing all this? Oh, I can be bothered with all that. Oh, I couldn't.
Yeah, well, nobody knows how to use tapes anymore.
I'm doing this without my glasses. I think we're right. Is that one? No. Slow down.
Well, you're not even going to play anything.
There we are. Does that look right? I can't see anything.
Yeah, looks fine. Have a go.
Looks wonderful. Right, that'll do.
Come on, do
That way. Dog. Look at that. Silent.
Yeah, well, it's no good unless you play something.
All I'm going to do, listen to this. See the crackle? The amplifier in there is working.
Okay.
Because it's crackling on the switch. I bet it is. There may be a problem. All I'm going to do, whip the top off, take that switch out. That's a stop. Right? That's record. You could even take the record one off. If I don't want to record with it, that switch can go there for play because the switch is snapped.
Yeah.
Or, this is the pause button. It won't work. That pauses on the playback. Press that down like that. There you are. It's now paused on playback.
Yeah. Okay.
That's fast one. That's fast forward, reverse. But it's silent.
Are you going to get rid of it?
Well, it's worth a lot of money.
How much is a lot of money?
Well, I gave he wanted 25 quid for it because it's the top of the range Ferguson, about 1965, before they went over to cassette. That's top of the range. That machine was about 700 quid, 500, 700 quid, even in the 60s. A fortune. But listen, it's all quality. He wanted 25 quid. I said, Julian, that's a lot of work. He said, oh, wait, so it wants a lot of, and the lid's a bit broken. He said, he's a lovely guy. He said, it wants a TLC, 10 to 11 K. He said 20. I said, no, look, I said, Lee over there will only give a tenner for it. He said, well, no, we don't. I got it. 15 quid then. And he made the 5 quid. He bought it for a tenner in an auction. No one wants it. Who wants that?
How much are you going to get rid of it for?
300, 400, 500.
In London?
Yeah, go easy.
Okay, we'll come back later.
You'll argue.